குட் மார்னிங். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருவே துணை. ஓம் ஸ்ரீ திருநீலியம்மன் துணை. ஓம் ஸ்ரீ வீரசாந்த மகாகாளி துணை. Leo Lagana Bhava benefits. Leo house is the first sign. The Lord of fifth house will give importance to the Lagana. The first house Lagana. They first focus on themselves, after which they will move on to the next work. This house will show you the benefits you may receive in your life but won't make it happen. The idea of self-improvement always prevails over others. The Bhava reflects the curse of having child. He or his family will have this curse. To get benefits from Jupiter, we need to go in and seek him. He will not come on his own. If Mercury is in the house of Leo, then we should look for Mercury's benefits. No matter which planet is in the Leo house, we will give first priority to that planet's influence. Presence of Ketu indicates spirituality. Similarly, presence of Mercury indicates studies and deeds. Presence of Guru indicates materialistic searching. If there is Saturn, it is related to business. If Mars is there, it's related to house, land, property and vehicle. If Venus is there, marriage, luxury and beauty related things. If there is Moon, then it's related to food, mother, matters related to mother and social recognition. If there is a Rahu, it is related to the electricity, travel and oil resources. If Mercury is an Leo, those who are in maternal uncle position will have child dosa and sadness. If Venus is in Leo, they will give importance to their wife's family. Similarly, there will be child dosa, child sadness in the wife's family. They will be careful about beautifying themselves. They will give importance to romantic pleasure. They will be very careful about their appearance, especially in clothes and ornaments. Virgo house is the second house. The time of God, sixth sign Virgo house. Polling place, fight, case, court, debt through his family, income through his sign. The way in such money income comes to Leo sign. Fight, case will come. No one in this world likes them if they earn even a little. The money earned through one's labor does not appeal to others. Those who are salaried will not be affected. A self-employed person will have problems. If he advances, others will not like it. No matter what business he does, he will have jealousy of others who are doing the same business. This house will have wealth, but at the same time it will have issues, problems, and there is a case. So one has to be careful in what they talk. They will speak in one sense and they will understand it in another sense. So there will be fuss and fight, rivalry, because their house related to speech is not right. Others will make a fuss always. They have to be careful with every word they pronounce. Even if they speak correctly, others will take it in the wrong sense. There are always fights in the family. The Virgo is the house cursed by Saturn. One of them in the family will die at a young age. Whoever is in this house of Virgo, there will be contribution of Punarvasu, Swati, Dhanishka stars. Libra house is the third sign. This house is cursed by moon. Through this Bhava, one will get marital relationship. Libra movement begins when we give our contribution through labor or sacrifice in marriage related matters. Traditional astrology says that Libra is half the benefic sign. It demands weight for weight when you need a thing. This bhava is the reason for contact with the outer world. Younger brother, close friend, father-in-law, friends through communication device through which the contacts available through the third bhava garaka will run the house Libra. Contact with the outside world is through neighbors and the greatest communication is available. The experience of being able to read people is gained through third sign. These relationships give worldly people the experience of what people to talk to and what not talk to, what to trust and how to handle relationships. The unique relationships of human beings, habits, to whom, how, and why we talk, we all know through the third sign. They will know their outer world experience from the third signers. Close friends will know their younger ones through them. Those who are related to the third sign are those who are cursed by the moon and will become third sign relations. Attempts are made in connections with the business of the registration deed and the authorization in writing is all the third sign. To attain this third sign, one has suffered many losses. Only after equal loss do they get the benefits of the third sign. Scorpio house is the fourth sign. Education, arts, house, land, vehicle, wealth, happiness, household goods, movable property, immovable property, mother's relative are all fourth bhava. It means that they are going to be punished by the fourth bhava for the wrong done in the previous life. We should not make a decision blindly just because it was said by mother. Don't take advice that comes from motherhood and mother's relatives. It can go wrong. They don't know that this will cause problems for this person. But if they listen to the mother or mother's relative, it can lead to punishment. Mothers will never say something to spoil the child. Yet, in this case, their advice will create bad impressions. Educations and skills learned should be handled carefully. They should be very careful when buying and selling house, land, car, and vehicle. They should be honest. They will be brainwashed to act against the truth. Don't buy a place that does not have a fair documents and easy that naturally engages them. A house can be bought if it is an honest deal. Otherwise, it should not be bought. This will cause them a big problem. Fake certificate, fake advisors will come to them, which should not be entertained. Sagittarius house is the fifth sign. Close friend, grandfather, mother's income, native property, speech, heirloom, astrology, younger brother, spending leisure time, work for self-happiness, sports, art and science are all related to this bhava. Sagittarius house is a blessed place. Sagittarius can give an unique fortune and endowment. It will give an opportunity to pursue higher studies through the fifth bhava. One will get opportunity to study higher education through family connections. Through this relationship, you will get distance travel through fifth bhava. Sagittarius bhava runs through art or scientific research. to the extent they immerse themselves in this self-search based on external life and attaining wisdom, the movement of Sagittarius will begin for them. The fifth bhava is superior wisdom and fortune, studied and dealt with as a part-time or full-time service will yield superior fortune. Capricorn house is the sixth sign. Debt, illness, scandal, health, enemy, competition, geology, dealing with competitive exams, teachers, initial study stage, mathematics, banking matters, checking budget, starting with mathematics are all sixth bhava. The bhava that has taken on so much importance is whether it is any private company or that deals with public interest or service related businesses or medical service related business, astrology, hairdressing, grocery store, cooking business, mass communications related business. There are all sixth bhava which is used by many people. If they do business related to this sixth bhava, they will develop their business. The business will be successful if they help someone to get a loan and honestly help others with their ideas. Giving the best possible advice to others with credit card problems and providing them with a satisfactory solution will make their business stand out. If they help the people who are in debt directly or indirectly, it is the best way for them to grow and their career will be greatly enhanced. Giving perfectly good information about bank loans and home loans to people who don't know about it and getting them out of trouble is your 10th business bhava. Don't lend money. If you give the borrowers the best and fairest idea, you can prevail in the industry. If you tell others how to take care of them from health problems, how to deal with the emergency treatments, how to do first aid, health related helping through data knowledge and experience, then your career will reach the top. By helping others with medical loans, your careers will improve. If one benefits those who seek him through his knowledge and wisdom, his career will be successful. This is when the relevant situation comes to them. They should not avoid these relevant situations because the nature will create this opportunity for them to work out their karma. These situations are created by the nature for them to fulfill their birth. One should not miss those changes. If you get a teaching job, one should not miss it. Legal nuisances, legal awareness related jobs might come to them naturally. If a business related to loan comes in your birth, there is an opportunity to achieve the goal. The nature is giving an opportunity to improve your career and one should not miss it. They have used it in a right way. If they direct their sixth bhava honestly, no matter how high their professional development will happen. If there is a fight in front of you and if you fix the problem smoothly, you will get career growth and merit. The Capricorn house will have to sweat and bleed to get a job and develop the business. The sixth bhava has a bear that pain until the last drop of energy is sucked to get the result. Aquarius house is the seventh sign. When the marriage chapter is touched upon, the Aquarius movement begins. This will allow a large organization and a circle of friends to interact like never before in their lifetime. A never before seen world wisdom, a new dimensions, a new experience will occur. Connections available through husband and wife can bring happiness and also fulfillment of desire through friendship. For unmarried people, when they are external relations, this Aquarius movement will start. Aquarius movement begins when communication with the outside world results in taking to lots of people, especially when it comes to business. Wisdom. There will be a big change after marriage. The circle of friends will change, and you should take advantage of it. The benefits are incalculable. Discovering the many rare buried treasures is the seventh bhava Aquarius movement. People in this seventh bhava will be mixed with Mars karma. One of the seventh bhava family member will be in a government job, will have late marriage, a young widow. Pisces house is the eighth sign. The 12th bhava is related to wastefulness, sleeplessness, medical expenses, hospital, foreign life, people who want to go abroad, work, career related wisdom, knowledge, awareness, etc. Through pieces information about foreign life, business, travel, work can be found out. Likewise, medicine, hospital, medical expenses, drug stores, pills, different types of drugs, doctors, hospitals, the medical world's database and their related information, friendships, communications, human chains, if we use it properly and if we carefully manage our expenses. Apart from reducing the expense, we can also improve our standard of living. Number one, foreign immigration life, work, our relationship with the outside world. Number two, medical world communication related information, related people, field knowledge about art. The place pieces gives both these about two matters. This bhava reduces expenses, increases positive expenses, and also talks about ayana sayana bhogam and nightlife. Ayana sayana bhogam and nightlife. To get the benefits of this bhava, we need to use the honest houses which are in friendship with this bhava. The second younger brother or the second younger sister of the mothers is associated with this eighth bhava. If the eighth bhava is used honestly and constructively, one can achieve things such as medicine, medical world related things, medical expenses, hospitals, awareness about doctors, wisdom, information store, etc. Not only that, but foreign office business. Be it education or traveling abroad for any purpose, relevant information and awarenesses can be achieved by using the eighth bhava relationship. Pisces is the house of sun karmic record. Eighth bhava will have genetic curse by sun and sun karma is mixed with other star as well. Taurus house is the 10th sign. Career, duty, death rituals for those who died without support, those who died without hair. Performing funeral rites for these types of deed will get 100% meritorious power. One must have a mature mind to do this. It is holy to perform funeral rites for people who are not related by blood. If you get a change to help people you don't know, go to the house of friends and family who have lost them to the death rituals and don't miss it. That is your holy strength. God will come before your eyes and give you grace. This is a great opportunity to learn burial rituals of the debt in the house. It is good to give money and other help directly or indirectly to do funeral rites. Helping someone through business is a virtue. Any kind of help to mother-in-law is blessed. Accumulating good karma is selfish, but doing good to our life, ourselves, and our future generations is also virtue. So let's do this. Gemini house is the 11th sign. The 11th house refers to circle of friends, desires fulfillment, social circle, elder brother, step brother, the sign of fulfilling the desire for profit through business, second marriage. Gemini is the bhava of not being able to hide the secret. Do not talk about unnecessary things related to the 11th house. Conversations with common friends should not be discussed outside. He should not talk about the conversation between himself and father's younger brother. This social media is also the 11th bhava. The information related to the business of social media and its profit must not be discussed openly. One should not talk about one's person's happiness. Do not talk about addictions, other fuss, lusts, and related matters. Cancer house is the 12th sign. Cancer is transitory bhava. Transitory bhava usually is missed when it is available. Later it is not available. Ayana Sayana Bhogam, relaxation, bed, comfort, all related to 12th house. It does not happen when you expect it. It should be used when it happiness. For health related matters, medical treatment should be used when a good doctor is available. As we see our back only in the mirror. Invisible things like supernaturals, investigative powers, technical crimes, and how much of this is to find the crime. Those who works in this area will gain expertise. If they learn medical arts, wisdom, and thought, they will achieve great success. Gaining fame depends on this, and if you develop your study skills, you will find great success. That's all Leo Lagana Baba benefits. Thank you, thank you, thank you.